Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to another lesson of science. Today's topic is loud and soft sounds. We all have studied about loud and soft sounds. Let's go further and explore some more loud and soft sounds. Your learning outcomes are: identify soft and loud sounds. Let's recall what we have studied earlier. Sounds are all around us. We use ears to hear sounds. Something that makes sound is called source of sound. Sounds can be loud or soft. Wolf makes really loud sound. Chick or birds make soft sound. If it's raining heavily, it makes really loud sound. Alarm clocks make loud sound because they help you wake up. Plants or paper planes, these are some things that create very soft sound. For example, if the wind is blowing, what will happen? The plants will move, but they don't make really loud sound. They make soft sound. Such sounds can also be called quiet sounds. Look at the paper plane. The paper plane, when you throw it into the air, it makes a very soft sound. So you can also say that it makes soft sound. Let's have some fun activity. Think, pair, share. Find a partner. Pair up. You can pair up with your mom, your brother, your sister, or your dad. And what you are going to do, you are going to recall some sounds that we can hear at school. And your time starts now. You have a minute. Come on. You have more than a minute. Come on. Think harder. You can do it. Think of some more words. Alright, so let's recall it together. Stop thinking and pairing, sharing together. Let's recall it with your teacher. Now, the sounds that we hear at school can be your friend's sound. You talk to your friends. What you hear sounds. Talking around, walking around, you hear sounds of people walking around in the corridor. You can hear teacher's sound explaining the lesson. You can hear the sound of the lesson when the lesson gets over. The bell rings, the school bell, yes. And what else? You can hear the sound of people in the playground. Some kids are playing in the playground. So there are lots of sounds that you hear at school. Sounds are everywhere. Wherever you go, sounds are there. No matter you are at home or outside, you do have your phones around. Sounds are everywhere. These are alert sounds. Mobile rings are the notification of message. These alert you that someone's calling you. You visit hospitals, all the places you visit, you hear sounds. People walking in, walking out, people talking. You hear different sounds at school, at home. Sirens and horns, these are some sounds made by vehicles like cars, fire engines. Firefighters have fire engine car. These make some special sound from the siren to alert the public, to alert the traffic on the road. And they ask the drivers to move away and give them way. That's why these sirens and horn are very loud. They help people to stay safe. Let's have some fun with sounds. I'm so excited. Okay, what you have to do is you are going to guess the object by its sound. And as you're guessing, you have to say whether the sound is loud or soft. And then let's check the answer as the picture reveals. Let's get started. Listen to this very carefully. Hidden picture game. Oh, sounds interesting to me. Listen to this very carefully, guys. Oh, what do you think? Who's making this sound? Would you like to listen again? Oh, see the answers revealing. And look, what do we have in the next slide? Here we are. Let's listen to the sound. Oops. I can see something. Oh, wow. That's really cute sound. Let's see what it is. Oh, that's a baby giggling. Let's have a look at the next picture. Listen to the sound and think if it is loud like cheetah or is it soft just like the baby giggle. Oops. These sounds, oh my. These Let's listen to this sound. Oops, who can tell me if it is loud or soft? It's easy, isn't it? You hear it often on the road. Let's listen to this sound and tell me, what do you think? Okay, the picture is revealing. Listen to this one. Oh, it seems a scary animal. Which animal makes this sound? A howling sound? Let's listen to this one. Okay, the picture's revealing. Let's listen to the sound of this on this line. What do you think it is? It is a cute little puppy. Wow. The sound, sometimes some puppies are soft. Let's listen to this one. I hope you all are enjoying as much as I am. Oh, now this one seems a bit... Let's listen to this one again. Oh, it seems like someone is rolling a ball or striking. Can you guess? Let's have some more fun. This is a fun activity. Make your own sound symphony. You are going to use some glass bottle to test out pitch of different bottles. What you will do, you will fill these bottles with water. But remember, the water level should be different. You can also use drinking glass. You have them easily available in your room, in your kitchen. Yes. Let's move on. What you will do next, you will also need a metal spoon, and you are going to tap each bottle or glass and check what sound it makes. The pitch of the sound is louder or softer. If you do this activity, do let me know how it was and record and send it to your teacher if you can make a sound symphony out of it. Have fun doing this activity. I'll see you next time. Assalamu alaikum. Oh, I got it. What do you think it is? It's bowling game. When you strike, it makes the sound. Wow, well done. They make soft sound and some they make loud sound. So it can be different. It cannot be same always. Oh, it's a wolf. It's definitely a loud sound. Good. Yes, you are right. It's an ambulance. Sounds so loud. What are they? Would you like to listen again? These are cars, I guess. What do you think? Oh, whoops, these are really loud sounds we hear on a busy city traffic. Did you got it right? Well done. What do you think? Is it a cheetah? Yes, you're right. It's a cheetah. Well done, my chums. Let's move on.